Lists on the web are massive. List-based content is some of the most shared stuff you'll see. Go on Dig or Reddit and you'll see just how popular these things are. Why is that? We think it's because they're really quick to read, easy to digest, and people love to debate them. So our idea is to take the concept of top 10 lists and use that to create a really powerful platform for social recommendation. So let's take a look. This is top10.co, and it's the top 10 of everything created by everyone. It's a place where anyone can come and make a top 10 list about anything they love and share that with the world. Friends and followers can come and remix that list or create their own, and then we amalgamate all of that data into global rankings that we call master lists. So we've created thousands of top 10 lists for our launch, and since we've come all the way from rainy London to sunny California, let's check out some local beaches. So Harry's doing a search here for beaches, and it's going to pull up all the search results for lists we've got on that topic. Let's go straight in and look at top 10 beaches in California. So here's a list created by Elaine, and she's made her favourite top 10 beaches in California. You can see as you scroll down, we've got really nice high-quality images, nice descriptions. We've put a lot of time making this into a really nice thing to read. Right at the top, we've also made it easy to share it to Facebook or Twitter. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our own list. Now, Harry and I are both big rock music fans, so let's make our top 10 guitarists of all time. So as Harry's typing there, we get some nice tool tips to help him along the way. And let's go straight in and do our first item. And I'm going to go for Slash, big Guns N' Roses fan. So as soon as Harry types that in, it goes out to the web and retrieves an image of Slash. We can also write a nice description, add in a link. But we may not like that image, we may want to find another one, so we just click that. It brings up a really nice image browser. We can choose the one we like. And then we've got this cool crop tool, so we can make it look exactly how we want. And then one click and it's published to the list. Okay, let's do the next one. How about you guys? Have you got any ideas for the best guitarist of all time? Hendrix? I'm going with Hendrix. Okay, Hendrix is awesome. Okay, so again, the image goes out, and you can see really quickly we're starting to make a list that we can make our own and be proud of. And we can then publish that and share it on Facebook. So let's jump to one that I made earlier. Now, I'm a massive fan of action movies, and this is my top 10 action movies of the 1980s. I'm leading with Rocky IV, an awesome film where Stallone helps stop the Cold War. And then we've got, Predator, we've got The Running Man.
Hey Tom, wait a minute.
What are you doing?
Where's the Terminator?
Harry, what the hell are you doing, man? This is like the most important presentation we've ever done.
When we rehearsed this, we had the Terminator in here. It's awesome.
Okay, well, you make your own list then.
Okay, I'm going to make my own. Okay, guys, so you can see what's happening here. Tom's made his list. It's cool. It's got all his favourite films in it. But as soon as I read that, I want to go and make my own list. So to enable that, we've made a really cool feature called Remix. With one click, I can turn Tom's list into remix mode. And I'm able to move stuff around, take things out, and add new things in. So let's get started. I'm not a big Stallone fan, I'm afraid, so Rocky, it's gone. Let's take out Rambo too. Cool. And I can move stuff around, so I really like Aliens, so I want to bump that up and put it up above RoboCop. We also made a really nice drag and drop interface, so I can bring the Running Man from way down the bottom of the list up to the top. And finally, I can add new stuff in. So let's get the Terminator in there. Who's with me? Who likes the Terminator? All right, cool. And just like before, it's going to go live to the web, and there's a really cool pic of the Governator. So I can click and publish that, and within just a few seconds, I've made my own version of Tom's list. So this is pretty cool. I've got my list, we've got Tom's list, and we've also got some lists that some of our buddies have made on the same subject. But what would be even cooler is if we could somehow take all of these opinions and ideas and amalgamate them into one global ranking. This is the most powerful feature of Top 10, and we call it master lists. This is what a master list looks like. It's kind of like a top 10, but you can see along the top there, we've got all the different contributors, and based on their votes and how they've ranked stuff, Predator is coming out as the #1 action film of the 80s. We think this is pretty nice. We'd like to invite all you guys down to the demo pit, and let's all remix action movies and see what we come out with. But what's even bigger than this? Our vision for Top 10 is millions of people all around the world creating hundreds of thousands of master lists on every subject under the sun. That is top10.co. I hope you like it.